Among all biological weapons, anthrax is one of the deadliest. History records that this deadly bacteria was first used as a weapon during World War I and continued to be developed in the following decades. However, one of the most horrific tests took place on a small island in Gruinard Island, Scotland. In 1942, British scientists conducted a secret experiment on this island. They brought around 80 sheep and released the most virulent anthrax spores, Volum 414578. In just a matter of days, all the sheep died horribly. This was not just an ordinary test. This experiment was part of Operation Vegetarian, a British plan to paralyze Germany by dropping cakes contaminated with anthrax into their fields. If this plan had gone ahead, millions of civilians could have died, and the German economy would have been completely destroyed. Although it was eventually canceled, this experiment left a terrible legacy. Gruinard Island became a cursed land, uninhabitable for 44 years due to anthrax contamination that could survive for decades or even hundreds of years. It wasn't until 1986 that a major decontamination was carried out, spraying 280 tons of formaldehyde and removing the contaminated soil. In 1990, the government finally declared the island safe. But can something so deadly ever be completely clean? To this day, Gruinard Island remains a dark symbol of the biological warfare experiments that nearly changed the course of world history.